Hello everyone, this is Jordan Rogers, and today I'm going to show you a short demo of the Essential Asset Monitoring solution for compressors. Let's get started. The first screen we see here is the home page. From here, you can see the status of each asset being monitored. Right now, all the assets are healthy, as indicated by the green boxes and the health values shown. I am now going to dive in for more detail on the compressor. What we see here is the compressor's process display. You'll notice the health value is reported at the top left, along with any active alarm text. Right now, the compressor is healthy, so there is no alarm text shown. You can see the value and status of each input on this page as well. This particular compressor is a 3-stage compressor. However, this could have easily had fewer stages. In those cases, the application would show a simpler process page only containing the applicable information. The calculated values are shown on the left. Those include speed, energy, vibration, pressure, temperature, and flow. Let's now go over to the Inputs tab. On the Inputs page, you can see the current value, the average, and the baseline value for each input. You'll see the trend window available on the right. I'm going to add the discharge pressure and flow values of the 3 stages to the trend. To do that, click on the value for each input. The baseline values you see here represent a snapshot of the data that has been captured under normal operating conditions. Once this baseline is captured, all alerts are calculated as a deviation from this normal operating condition. I am now going over to the Configuration tab. You can configure the alarms on this page. To see the details for alarm configuration of a specific input, simply click on the input name. You'll see the associated dialog box open up on the right. You can click the question mark for more help. Let's make this demo a little more interesting and look at the case where the compressor is experiencing some process instability. The active alert is now for compressor instability detected. This is a critical alarm, as indicated by the red text. To understand what triggered this alert, I'm going to add one more value to the trend. This time, I'm going to add the standard deviation of the discharge pressure. Since this is a derived value, it can be found on the Configuration tab, within Process Inputs, under Compressor Instability. Let's go check out the trend for standard deviation of discharge pressure. The reason I am looking at this value is because we expect the discharge pressure to change with process conditions, but we don't expect the variation in the value to change. Because the standard deviation of discharge pressure has become high relative to the baseline value, the process instability alert is active. Let's now go back to the process page. We can clearly see the critical health and process instability alert active at the top left. You can also see the flashing red suspected under the instability status indicator. With this indication of instability, the user can potentially make changes to the operation of the compressor or associated equipment to move to a more stable operating condition. That concludes the demo of the Essential Asset Monitoring solution for compressors. I hope this has been helpful to you and that you can see the benefits of monitoring the health of this asset.